So what ends up happening, if you notice here, I have two binomials. And the way we multiply two binomials is we use what is known as FOIL. Now FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. And so if you notice, I've done some colors here that kind of help you see what you end up doing here. So if you were to multiply x plus 1 times x minus 3. By the way, x plus 1 is what type of polynomial?
Linear.
There's how many? It's not a monomial, it is a
It's
binomial. So it's a binomial times a binomial. That is what FOIL works for. Works for a binomial, 2 terms times 2 terms. So the very first thing you're going to start with is you're going to multiply your first terms together. When I multiply my first terms together here, I get x squared. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my outer terms together. So x times negative 3, which is negative 3x. Then I'm going to multiply my inner terms together. The inner terms together, you get plus 1x. And then I'm going to multiply my last terms together, and I'm going to get negative 3. And so what my task is going to be to do, my task is going to be to add all those up, and then that will be what my solution is. So you're going to multiply first, outer, inner, last. First, outer, inner, last. So we're going to go ahead and look at an example of that. Here we go. So x plus 2 times x plus 5. So I'm going to start, first of all, it's two binomials. So I'm going to start by multiplying first times first. So I get x squared. Then I'm going to multiply outer terms. So outer terms I get 5x. Next I'm going to multiply my inside terms and I get 2x. And then I'm going to multiply my last terms and I'm going to get 10. Now if you look at that, I can combine two terms. And those two terms I can combine are 5x and 2x. And so my answer will be x squared plus 7x plus 10. And there you go. That is what x plus 2 times x plus 5 is. Questions? Yeah?
When we write those for our assignment, do you want us to write them in standard form?
Yes, I want you to write them in descending order. So that means start with your highest power and then go to your smaller power. Okay, let's look at this one. 4n plus 3 times n plus 9. So two binomials, I'm going to start. 4n times n, and what do you get? 4n squared. Then I'm going to multiply 4n times 9, which is 36n. And then I'm going to multiply 3 times n, which is 3n. And then I'm going to multiply 3 times 9, which is 27. So now what I need to do is go ahead and add together like terms. So my final answer is 4n squared plus 39n plus 27. There you go. Questions? Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to start with the relay. Back table. You guys have first, outer, inner, last. So go ahead and go. Somebody needs to go up and do the first. Okay, let's go quick. Quick, quick. It doesn't matter. Somebody needs to do the first terms. Okay? First terms. You guys need to be ready for outer, so go ahead and pick somebody and come on up for the outside terms. Yep, just multiply the first terms. Okay, 10a. Good. Okay, outer terms, let's go. You guys need to be ready for inner. Inside term, who's gonna? So outer terms. Outer terms, try again. Let's try that one again. Okay, outside terms. Okay, Let's try that one again. Outside terms.
I'll take this time, right?
Outside terms.
Uh,
This times that time. There we go. Third time's a charm. All right, inside terms, what do we get? And last terms, what do we get?
Every time reading.
That group, you get to finish it up. So all
Brett,
right, so,
Brett.
all right, I need somebody to finish it up from that group.
Oh, come on.
That's okay, we're gonna do another one.
don't want to.
We'll do another one, so.
Here, I'll do the other one.
So your final answer should be 10a squared, yep, plus 33a minus 54. Okay, very good. So then now the question is, yep, the question is, what do we do here because we don't have a binomial times a binomial? Yeah, just we have a binomial times a trinomial. So this one you can't do FOIL on. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to start with the 6y, and you're going to distribute it here, here, and here. So I'm going to take 6y times 2y squared. Easy way to do that. What's 6 times 2? 12. And then you have y times y squared, which is y cubed. Now I'm going to have 6y times negative 3y. So I start with 6 times negative 3. Negative 18. Y times y is y squared. Next I have 6y times negative 5. Negative 30y. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the exact same thing with the 5. So I'm going to take the 5 times this, and times this. So 5 times 2y squared is 10y squared. 5 times negative 3y. Negative 15y. And then 5 times negative 5. Negative 25. So now I'm looking for like terms. So first of all, I have a 12y cubed. Okay, do I have any like terms with the negative 18y squared?
Yep.
Negative 18y squared, 10y squared, which is negative 8y squared. And then I have 30, negative 30y, negative 15y, negative 45y, and then minus 25. Questions? Let's look at another one of those. That one's a trinomial times a trinomial. So basically we're going to do the same thing that we did on the problem before, except for instead of distributing 2 terms, I'm going to distribute 3. So I'm going to start with the m squared, right? And I'm going to take it times this, and times this. So what do you get from the first bunch?
4m to the 4th.
4m to the 4th. Okay, that back group back there, what do you get next? 7m to the 3rd, and then what do you get? 5m squared. Okay, the other group in the back. You're going to do this one for me. Okay, what do you get? 8m cubed. Thank you. Keep going. Good. Keep going. 10m. Okay, this group here, you've got the negative 3. Okay, just a second. Okay. So, negative 12m squared. Positive 21m, and then negative 15. So this group and that group together, I need some like terms. So what do I have? What's my first term going to be?
4m to the 4th.
4m to the 4th. So that's gone. What's going to be next?
Negative 21 to the 3rd. No, negative 17.
Yep,
Oh, wait, no.
that's going to give me m cubed, 1m cubed. Okay, what comes next?
9m squared.
No.
5m squared and negative 14m squared and 12m squared.
Yep. Which is going to be how many?
7m squared. No,
Oh, I
four.
didn't see the 12.
Two, four,
2m
five.
What's 5 and 12?
17.
17.
3m
3m squared. There we go. All right, let's look at another one. How many m's do you get now?
31.
31m and
Times 15.
15. So obviously you can see the biggest problem here is going to be to make sure that first of all you add correctly as well as that you distribute correctly. Okay, your assignment in this section. Are there any questions? FOIL, what does it mean again? Good job.
It also preserves.
All right, so here you go. Page 483, 12 through 22, the evens, 25, 26, 28, and 30. Okay, 12 through 22, the evens on page 483. 25, 26, 28, 30.